Welcome to LBNCC Lucknow BSc Nursing Coaching Classes, an ISO certified #1 brand. A place where your journey becomes extraordinary. Hello everyone, welcome to today's learning session. Today's quiz topic is non-communicable diseases, also known as NCDs. These are long-term conditions that do not spread from person to person, but they have a major impact on health all around the world. Attention everyone, now your quiz has been started. Get ready, focus your mind, and follow the instructions carefully. Your first question is coming up next. Question 1. Which of the following is the most defining characteristic of non-communicable diseases, NCDs? Options are: Option A. They are caused by infectious agents and spread through vectors. Option B. They are acute illnesses that resolve quickly with antibiotics. Option C. They are chronic, long-duration diseases resulting from a combination of genetic, physiological, environmental, and behavioral factors. Option D. They affect only high-income populations and the elderly. Correct option is C, because NCDs progress slowly over time and arise from non-infectious causes. Options A and B describe infectious diseases, and D is incorrect because NCDs affect all countries globally. Alright, here comes the next question. Now, let's move to the next slides. Question 2. Globally, the largest number of premature deaths from NCDs is caused by which group of diseases? A. Cancers. B. Chronic respiratory diseases. C. Diabetes mellitus. D. Cardiovascular diseases. Correct option is D, because cardiovascular diseases cause the highest number of NCD-related deaths worldwide. Listen to the next question. Question 3. Which of the following is a primary modifiable behavioral risk factor for major NCDs? Option A. Age. Option B. Ethnicity. Option C. Unhealthy diet. Option D. Family history. Correct option is C, because unhealthy diet is a major lifestyle risk factor. Alright, here comes the next question. Now, let's move to the next slides. Atherosclerosis is the primary underlying cause of which condition? Option A. Type 1. Diabetes. Option B. COPD. Option C. Myocardial infarction. Option D. Osteoporosis. Correct answer is C, because atherosclerosis blocks coronary arteries and causes heart attacks. Alright, here comes the next question. Now, let's move to the next slides. Here comes question number 5. Excess sodium intake is closely linked to which condition? Option A. High blood sugar. Option B. Hypertension. Option C. Anemia. Option D. Hypothyroidism. The correct answer is B, because high salt raises blood volume and blood pressure. Alright, here comes the next question. Now, let's move to the next slides. Next question. Which type of diabetes is caused by autoimmune destruction of insulin-producing cells? A. Type 2 diabetes. B. Gestational. C. Prediabetes. D. Type 1 diabetes. The correct option is D because type 1 diabetes occurs due to autoimmune damage. Alright, here comes the next question. Now, let's move to the next slides. Which of the following is the most defining characteristic of non-communicable diseases? A. They are caused by infectious agents. B. They resolve quickly with antibiotics. C. They are chronic, long-duration diseases caused by genetic, physiological, environmental, and behavioral factors. D. They affect only rich countries and older people. Your correct answer is option C. Because NCDs progress slowly over time and are not infectious. Alright, here comes the next question. Now, let's move to the next slides. Question 8 is, the central feature of type 2 diabetes is A. Viral infection. B. Insulin resistance. C. Genetic inability to use glucose. D. Excess glucagon. The correct answer is B because body cells stop responding properly to insulin. Alright, here comes the next question. Now, let's move to the next slides. Next question coming. The most significant cause of COPD is A. Mold exposure. B. Genetic mutation. C. Tobacco smoke. D. Bacterial pneumonia. Correct option is C because smoking is the leading preventable cause of COPD. Now, let's move ahead. Alright, here comes the next question. Now, let's move to the next slides. Questions 10. Chronic exposure to which factor causes lung cancer in non-smokers? A. UV radiation. B. PM 2.5 air pollution. C. Saturated fat. D. Lack of sleep. Correct option is C, because smoking is the leading preventable cause of COPD. Alright, here comes the next question. Now, let's move to the next slides. Question 11. Harmful alcohol use increases the risk of A. Cirrhosis and cancers. B. Type 1 diabetes. C. Multiple sclerosis. D. Osteoarthritis. Correct answer is A because alcohol damages the liver and raises cancer risk. Alright, here comes to the next questions. Now let's move to next slides. Question 11. The cluster of obesity, high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and abnormal cholesterol is called A. Rheumatoid arthritis. B. Metabolic distress. C. Metabolic syndrome. D. Heart failure. The correct answer is C because these combined risk factors increase chances of heart disease and type 2 diabetes.